Today, we have an exciting matchup between two exceptional all-season tires, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and the Kleber Quadraxer 3. It's a sibling rivalry on rubber, as both brands fall under the Michelin umbrella. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. In wet conditions, both tires showcase their engineering prowess. The Kleber Quadraxer 3 impresses with superior wet braking, stopping 0.34 meters earlier than the CrossClimate 2. When it comes to wet handling, the Quadraxer 3 is nearly on par with the CrossClimate 2, with only a minuscule 0.01 second difference in lap times. However, the CrossClimate 2 excels in aquaplaning resistance, slipping at 94 km per hour compared to the Quadraxer 3 speed of 92 km per hour. Dry performance is crucial, and here the Michelin CrossClimate 2 shines, braking at 38.25 meters. The Quadraxer 3 follows closely at 38.58 meters, just 0.33 meters behind. In dry handling, the CrossClimate 2 completes laps in 76.1 seconds, with the Quadraxer 3 trailing by a mere 0.5 seconds. Snowy conditions test a tire's true versatility. The CrossClimate 2 brakes in 18.2 meters, slightly outperforming the Quadraxer 3's 19.1 meters. In snow handling, the Quadraxer 3 and CrossClimate 2 surprisingly match each other in terms of lap time. Comfort is where the Kleber Quadraxer 3 takes the lead, scoring a perfect 10 compared to the CrossClimate 2 score of 9.8. When it comes to rolling resistance, the CrossClimate 2 is more efficient with a coefficient value of 7.7, while the Quadraxer 3 registers slightly higher coefficient value of 8.1. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 is the pinnacle of all-season performance, excelling across dry, snow, and rolling resistance. However, the Kleber Quadraxer 3 with a much lower price point excels so slightly in wet braking and comfort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.